In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a series course in Kajabi. We'll be walking through the full setup process, from opening the course area in Kajabi to adding your first lessons and saving everything properly. If you're building a training series, a mini course, or a full learning program, this process will help you structure it clearly so your students can move through the content with ease. To get started, head to your Kajabi dashboard. Once you're there, look for the products section in the main navigation and click into it. From there, select Courses. This is where Kajabi stores and manages your course products, so it's the right place to begin when you want to build a new series. Next, click New Course. Kajabi will guide you through a simple setup flow. One of the first choices you'll make is whether your course will be evergreen, which means self-paced, or cohort, which means scheduled. Evergreen is a good fit if you want students to enroll and progress on their own time. Cohort works better if you want everyone starting and moving through the material on a timeline. Choose the format that matches how you want to deliver the series and then click Next. Now enter your course title. Make it clear and specific so students immediately understand what the series is about. After that, write a brief description. This is your chance to summarize what learners can expect, what the course covers, or what result they'll get from completing it. Keep it concise but useful. Once that's done, click Next again. You'll now move into the Appearance section where you can customize how the course looks. This helps give your course a more polished and professional feel. If you'd like, you can also add a thumbnail image. That part is optional, but it's a nice visual touch and can help your course stand out in your product library. After adjusting the appearance settings, click Next. The next part is pricing. Kajabi gives you the option to set the course as free or paid, and if you're not ready to decide yet, you can skip this part for now. That's helpful if you want to focus on building the content first and handle sales settings later. Once the course shell is created, click Add Content. This is where you begin building the structure of your series. Start by choosing Module. In Kajabi, modules act like the main sections of your course. Give the module a title, then add a description so students know what that section is about. When that's ready, click Create Module. To add lessons inside that module, click Add Content again and choose Submodule. Enter a title for the submodule. Then select the module you want this content to go inside. This is an important part of keeping your course organized, especially if your series will include multiple sections and lessons. Once the placement looks right, click Create Submodule. After your structure is in place, click into an individual lesson to edit it. This is where you'll add the actual teaching material. If your lesson is built around multimedia, select either video or audio and upload the core file for that lesson. If your content is already in your Kajabi files, choose Select from Media Library, then click Select Media to attach the right file. Below the media area, use the text editor to add lesson notes or a summary. This is a great place to reinforce key ideas, give written instructions, or provide a quick recap that students can refer back to later. If you have supporting materials, scroll down to the Download section and add things like worksheets, PDFs, or checklists. These extras can make the lesson more actionable and easier to follow. If your series includes checkpoints or learning milestones, you can also add a quiz or assessment. This is useful when you want students to reflect on what they've learned or confirm their understanding before moving on. When everything in the lesson looks good, click Save. That locks in your changes and keeps your content secure. And that's how to create a series course in Kajabi. Once you've saved your first lesson, you can continue repeating the same process to build out the rest of your modules and submodules until your full course is complete.